In this video, I'll show you how to disable screen share protection on your Android device. Google introduced a built-in feature called screen share protection starting with Android 15 to protect users from sharing sensitive information during screen sharing sessions. Like you are seeing on the screen right now, anytime I enter a page with sensitive information, the screen recording app I'm using records a blank page and it shows this error: app content hidden from screen share for security. So that's way my recording is blank, but I can see what I'm recording with my eyes, but when I decide to watch the recording, it is blank. So thankfully, you can easily turn off this feature. Making this change requires you to have developer options enabled on your phone or tablet. This video will show you how to do that. If you find the video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is you want to enable developer options, and to do that, just have to go to settings and you want to go to about phone. Then you want to look for build number, so you go to software information, then you search for build number. Alright, so this is build number right here. Then you want to click on it 7 times. So I'm just going to click on it 7 times. You might need to enter your password or PIN. So now we have developer option enabled. So you want to go back. And when you scroll down, you see developer options. So I'll click on that. And then want to go all the way down to apps section. Alright, so here in app section, you want to check for screen protection. On some phones, you will see disable screen share protection, but on my phone right here, I have it as turn off screen share protection. But on some devices, you will see disable screen share protection. So I'll click on that. So now, anytime you want to take a screenshot or screen record a page, it should start working. So that's just how to disable the screen share protection. Let's see if this works. So now I'll try to open the page with sensitive information. And it works. So that's just how to disable screen share protection on your Android device.